Hey everyone, what's going on? I got another blaster box for 2017 Threads. Got it from Target. It's $20. I opened one of these before on my channel. This is my second one, so it wasn't too bad. I haven't gotten a chance to get any hobby boxes yet, so I figured I'd just do this for now. Just in case you didn't see the other video, it is, let's see, how many? 5 cards and 11 packs in a box. And like I always say, I'm going to put these up on Instagram. I'll try and put a link in the description. And follow me on Instagram if you want, just to check out my cards. And then I'll be at the draft, so I'll stream from the draft in about 2 weeks. All right, let me get started. J.R. Smith. These are the new rookie inserts. Patrick McCaw. High Octane Nate Archibald. John Wall. And Jamal Murray rookie. Some people have gotten numbered cards in here. I haven't gotten any yet, but you never know. Aaron Afalo. Marc Gasol. John Wall, Floor Generals. Rodriguez, I don't know who that is. And Malik Beasley. Alright, pack number 3. Wilson Chandler. Bogdanovich. Paul Millsap. Front row seat. And Kawhi Leonard. Malcolm Brogdon, rookie. And Diang. A Klay Thompson. And one of these Marc Gasol, I guess, refractor. Patrick Beverly. And Diallo. We got a couple blaster box coming up too. Figure I'd mention that real quick. DeAndre Jordan. Malcolm Brogdon, one of those inserts. And another one of these, DeAndre Jordan. Not numbered. Damian Lillard and Saric. DeMarcus Cousins, Rudy Gobert. I don't know who that is. LeBrissier. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. And Bertans. Kevin Love, who played terrible yesterday, probably cost the Cavs the game. 2 turnovers at the end. Greg Monroe, Damian Lillard again, Aaron Gordon, and Diamond Stone. Joel Embiid, another diamond stone. One of these cool inserts. I like the red on black. I'll put that up for sure on Instagram. Like I said, a lot of these I'm going to put up on Instagram. Karl Malone, Isaiah Thomas, Malcolm Delaney. Oh, I got 3 packs left. Oh, yeah, 3 packs left. Will Barton, Derrick Rose, High Octane, Kenny Smith, JJ Barea, and Juan Hernan Gomez. D'Angelo Russell, Nick Young, Elvin Hayes, Jeff Teague, and Labrisier. Alright, last pack. Like I said, I got a couple things coming up, and I have another Prestige Blaster. I got this Topps Blaster Box 2017 Archive. I think I'll do that one next. Take a break from basketball. Harkless, Butler, Elvin Hayes, Valanciunas, and Chris. Alright, that's it for now. I'll put this one up. I got a couple other things going on. I might do a movie review for The Mummy. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, I'll see you guys later.